Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to tell if you have a gas electric water heater and or how to operate it. So one dead giveaway of the gas electric models is going to be this outside vent right here. So if it does have propane, obviously the propane lines are ran inside, so it has to have somewhere to vent. So if you have this right here, it's kind of a dead giveaway that you do have a gas electric refrigerator. So from there, we're going to go ahead and go inside. Alrighty, this is your standard Dometic gas electric refrigerator. Open her up. You have your control panel right here. They're not always going to be right there. Some of them have them at the top. Some of them have them down here between the two doors. So the on button right here, you turn her on. It's going to show auto right now. What that's going to do is it's going to look for electricity first. If it ever was to lose it, it's automatically going to switch to the gas side. If you depress the button right there, no lights are illuminated, but this button is still pressed in, so you still are on. I'm going to show you that right here. Lights on, that means you're still in the on position, but it's just going to try to light on the gas side instead of the electricity, and that's only going to be for the gas side. And then obviously you just turn her off like so. If it ever does bleep in right here with this check light, that means you've either lost propane or the fridge has experienced an issue. So if you have any other questions, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.